So if we go into templates, we can go into template pack, and here we've got a conveyancing starter pack, which has not got very appropriate documents in there. But I think you get the idea. You can have the letter to the real estate agent, the letter to the building and pest person, and then when you use that starter pack, if we come back in here, new from template, I know that one's a conveyancing, and I can write starter, conveyancing starter, create the document, and that there has created multiple documents, and then we can open them as we need to. I think that's pretty cool. And that was an item that was requested by one of our users. I'll just come back in here again one more time. We've got criminal matter, stolen gold ring, and here we want our cover sheet. We can either have the criminal law one or we could use the base one. And there's our cover sheet.